Hello, all, it's Sharon, and today's video I'm back with this wonderful TEMU find. So I do have another TEMU order coming, but for some reason this item came on its own. Apparently it was from a local warehouse, which I didn't even know they had those, so that's really great. This item was $12.57, and what it is, it's a weekly clothing organizer. So I want to start doing the no fold method with Nate's clothes he's going to wear throughout the week and his pajamas for nighttime. So I'll show you his closet. I've already taken a bunch of clothes out of there, and then I'll come back and I'll show you this and how we're going to set it up. So I had this in Nate's closet. At the bottom is like shorts and pants. I've already pulled all the pants out that I wanted to use to show you how I'm going to set up this new system. And then when you come over here, I did move our linen one over here into his closet because it's much larger. There is some more sheets in the dryer at the moment. I do hang up all his shirts, so I'll continue to do that because he likes certain shirts and I have them divided with little dividers. I was putting all his pajamas in this little shoe organizer, but this thing is, you know, from the dollar store. It's not the greatest. So I think now I'll just have a pile of like a basket with all his pajamas, and then he can just throw them into the weekly thing when he wants to set it up. Also, if he wants a certain shirt, I can grab it for him. But this new system, I think I'm going to attach it to his bed because the closet is quite high for him to like reach his actual clothing. But yeah, I think this new system is going to work out pretty well. So yeah, I'm currently doing laundry at the moment, and these are the clothes that I pulled already. So I have sets of pajamas, and then I have a t-shirt and a pair of pants for each day of the week. Now this just goes Monday to Friday. On the weekends it doesn't really matter. The reason I want to try this no fold method is I want to give him independence about putting his own laundry away. Plus we homeschool, so like our clothes don't need to be like ironed or anything like that. Plus we're often outside, so if they're a little wrinkled, it's not going to really matter. So yeah, I'll just go and take these in his room and we'll set it up. I'll show you what it looks like. Just before I set this up, I opened it out of the package, and you can actually choose what colors you want for the days of the week as well. So if your children like certain colors, I thought it was cool because it comes with 2 sets of the days of the week. So that's pretty cool. I'm probably going to actually save the other set for homeschool reasons. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. So I put it right here beside this thing here that came from TEMU. My mom got it for him. He has one with cars in. This one has all his socks in it. So I put it right beside it. And it's just got the days of the week, and it's very low to the ground, so he can easily access everything. So I'm going to go get the clothes, and I'll show you how I'm going to organize it. And I think it'll be much easier for him when putting away his own laundry. So I started with the pajamas. I just tossed them at the bottom. So this is going to work out perfectly. So Nate is currently actually sick at the moment, so I did set up this first time for him. But I did the pants on the right side and the shirts on the left side. It's all organized for him. He doesn't have to necessarily wear the clothes that are in the cubby for that day. He could switch it out for a different day. But it is ready to go for him. And then once he's feeling better, I'll teach him how to set it up. And then I think this no-fold laundry system will be really good for him, and it will give him a little bit more independence on putting away his own laundry. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Take care, and bye for now.